We have to go deep into Vairagya to get bhakti. That's basically your question. No, you have it backwards. You have it backwards. We have to dive deep into bhajan sadhan. You have to dive deep into bhajan sadhan, and deep into smaran, and deep into sharanagati. Bhakti is established on the platform of sharanagati, not vairagya. We're not vairagis, we're bhaktas. We're not jnanis, we're bhaktas. Anukulyena krishnanu shinalanam bhakti ruchate. This is jnana karma anabritam. We're only interested in ananya bhakti. So, these devotees you cited, Ranabadi Siddha Krishnadas, or any great Tyagi Vairagi sadhus, they're exhibiting that great Vairagya, but there's also hundreds of associates and subsequent followers of Lord Chaitanya who are grihastas, and they were completely premi bhaktas, and the deepest experiences of sporties of Krishna and Radha Krishna Lila, and they ate 3 times a day, and they have 4 children, or 3 children, whatever. So this has nothing to do at all with bhakti. You follow the 4 regular principles, that's vairagya. You fast on Ekadasi, that's vairagya. You fast on, we have our 7, 8 fast days a year. You fast on those days, that's our vairagya. And you come so high that nidra hara vihara kari vijato chadyanta dina chayo. Gopi bhava rasamritabdi lahara lahari kalola magno muhur again and again kalola. They were gopi bhava. It doesn't say sakha bhav. Goswami doesn't say sakha bhav. It says gopi bhava rasa. Gopi bhava rasamrita kalola magna muhur. They were relishing the ras, the sweet, intoxicating prema ras of Radha Krishna's Shringar Leela and his Smaran. They're so much absorbed in their Nitya Seva and their Siddha Sarups that they forgot about sleeping and eating and everything. Nidra hara kadi vijato. They conquered, their greed conquered Krishna. Their greed and love conquered Krishna. And with Krishna's power, then they became conquered, sleeping, eating, everything. They're the greatest vairagyas. So if one has that prem ras, that rasa swadana, he's relishing that ras, he's out of his body. His body is only moving as a function of this destiny. He's still in the body. So his destiny, maybe he's in the body, he's eating 3 times a day, or whatever he's doing, but he's totally absorbed in Leela Smaran. My Paraguru is Prabhupada, Sri Prabhupada Ananda Gopal Goswamiji. He is Grihastha. He is a Mahant in the Madan Gopal temple in Navadvip. At Vaita Vamshacharya, he's a Vamshacharya. He's coming from Krishna Mishra's descendant, seminal descendant, son, descendant. So he was a great rustic devotee. He wrote so many commentaries on Radharasa Sudhanidhi, Anand Gopal Goswami, and Vilap Kusumanjali. He gave lectures in the 1950s in Radha Damodar temple for a few months. And the notes from those lectures, some Babajis took notes. Srila Anantadas used those notes to produce the Vilap Kusumanjali and Radharasa Sudhanidhi. And he gives credit there also in the book. So he's Grihastha.